tell me when it hits. There, 200,000 kilometers. Good day, YouTube. This is going to be part one of a few parts. I'm doing a 200,000 kilometer service on this 2009 Toyota Rav4. I've owned it for approximately 1 month. It had 196,000 kilometers on it when I bought it, and I've put 4,000 kilometers on it since then. So we're going to do spark plugs, air filter, and oil filter. I'm using Toyota parts for the oil filter, Ryco for the air. This is the air filter we're going to use. To take the old air filter out, you've got clips here and a clip here. You just put that back, then you can lift this up. You can pull your old air filter out and throw it away. Get your new air filter. And you're going to put that back in. Make sure it seats in the slots. Put that back down. Put the clips on. There's one there and one there. And so the air filter part of this job is done now. Okay, so now we're underneath where the oil pan is, and we're going to undo this drain bolt right here. It's a 14 millimeter. Just take that out. You're also going to be replacing the washer on this when you do this, otherwise you'll get leaks. Here we go. There we go. So now that that's draining, you can get to the oil filter here. And the oil filter is right there. I'm gonna put the oil filter wrench on it. Okay, when you get it loose enough, you can do it with your hand after that. I'll get it loose enough to where the oil will come out, and then I'll let it run for a bit. And then take it completely off. And then just let it drain out into your pan. They used a Ryco filter before me. I'm going to use Toyota factory filters. And I'll put that in there. And then I'll get the new filter. It is a 90915 YZZE2 or YZZE2. Make sure you put a little bit of oil on this seal and rub it in. And then you're going to put this back in here on top of that. Get to where it seats like that, and then you're going to turn it another 3/4 of a turn. Where'd the bag go? Thank you. These only ever need to be hand tight. Once that's on, now I'm going to torque that drain bolt up. should be approximately 33 foot-pounds. Tight. Okay, now that you've got your drain bolt plugged in, the drain bolt torqued up, your oil filter on and spun up, you're going to put in 4.3 liters, I think, to start, and then you're going to check the dipstick. That's about 1.5 liters. I'm using Penrite full synthetic 5W30. Use what your owner's manual recommends. I know in some countries they've got different smog regulations, and this engine requires 0W20 in that country. But here in Australia, it is 5W30. And right there, it's right on the upper dot, and that's where it's supposed to be. To like, subscribe, and comment down below if you got any questions.